Moving to Nashville, Tennessee and looking for a modern new custom home. Today you are in luck. We are back out here in Seven Hills, a very desirable neighborhood right in between Forest Hills and Green Hills. We're a little bit south of downtown Nashville here. You feel like you're in the suburbs. Very peaceful, very quiet. I mean, look at the trees around me. Look at these hills here. The sun's about to go down over those trees over there. Just beautiful area. You can see why a lot of people want to be in this area. Easy access to 65, easy access to get into downtown Nashville from here from a few different side roads. So if the interstate's backed up, you're in a good spot here. So great location. And I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. If this is the first time to my channel, we are out here every single week looking for unique and custom homes in the Nashville area. Hopefully you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're enjoying it, and book a call with us if you're making the move here. We would love to meet you. Fill out the questionnaire in the description. My team will get back to you, and I can't wait to meet you. So let's make that happen. Put us to work for you. Let me give you a few details of this home here. So this one here is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 5,066 square feet, listed just under 3 million, so 2,999. And as you can see, very modern home, very unique. You're on an acre lot here. Most of that yard is in the front. As you can see, huge front yard, not much in the back, but it's very quiet and peaceful in the back. You have your owner's suite on the first level with a little sitting area that could be used as an office. There is another designated office, but if you want to turn that into some kind of game room or bonus room, that would be a good option. If that office in the bedroom is good enough for you, then you have the rest of the bedrooms upstairs. Just beautiful space. I love the big windows in this one, just that lets in a lot of natural light, and just great spot. The kitchen's beautiful. This one was built by Baird Graham Construction. I have a great reputation here in town, so you could purchase this one with confidence. Hope you enjoy it. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check this one out. Comment below and let me know what you think about this extremely modern home. I love the big windows in this one. I love the views. It's very peaceful back here. Love these big trees back here that aren't going anywhere. This location, like I said, you're right in between Green Hills and Forest Hills, a very desirable location. Would love to hear your comments about what you think about this type of home. Again, very modern, very white. I wonder if you would add any colors to it or keep it just like it is. Can't wait to hear your feedback. And as much as we love making these videos, you know we love even more helping people find their next home right here in Middle Tennessee. Or that questionnaire in the description and we will reach out to you. Can't wait to meet you. I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.